Day 6 of creating random stuff in Blender. I started out by lining up the cube with the reference images and beveled the corners. Then I extruded the bottom part and beveled all of the edges. I added another cube, lined it up with the vent, then beveled the corners and used it as a boolean object. Then I added a plane with the solidify and array modifiers. I copied the same boolean object, scaled it down, and used it to cut holes for USB-C ports. Then added a rectangular shape in the middle, and repeated the same process for HDMI and USB ports. For Ethernet port I used multiple cubes because the shape is more complex, and I also added some pins. Power port was a bit different, but you guessed it, I again started with a cube, extruded the shape out of it, and beveled the edges. For the separation line between black and gray plastic, I inset these faces, select this loop cut, and separated it from the object. Then I roughly lined it up with the reference and used it to cut into the main object. For both main materials, gray and black, I stretched the noise texture to add color and roughness variation. Then I assigned simple materials to the ports. Finally, I added the Apple logo and the symbols on the ports. And this is the result.